In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make images move in CapCut. So first step you simply need to do is to open CapCut, click on import, and you need to import the images first. So let me import from my downloads and these two images. Okay, let me import this, and now you can see that I imported, and you need to drag that onto the timeline. So I move this apart, or you can drag this. Okay, so now I'm going to add the movement. So this is the image, and here you can see scale and position and scale. So here you can see that. First step, I'm going to make it a smaller, and here you can see position and scale. I added keyframe. Now you need to move on to the next step and make them bigger and add keyframe here. So let me show you. Here you can see that, and in this image I'm going to add another type of movement, paste here, and add the keyframe here. After that you need to move the image. Let me move this first, then move the image, and here you can see that keyframe is added. And let me show you this movement as well. Here you can see that. So this is the process how you can make images move in CapCut. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.